Definitely do not forget to subscribe and like this video. In this episode, we're going to take a look at the A major chord and switch to the D7 chord. So you'll see the A major chord and its fingerings on the screen. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a ghost finger on the B string. That's my index finger, and I'm going to leave it on the first fret even while I'm playing the A major chord. Then to switch to the D major chord, the D7 chord, I only have to lift up my second finger and then move my pinky to the second fret of the high E string. And as you can see, this is an extremely simple way to switch between this pretty common chord progression. Okay, the metronome is on 60. Let's give this a shot. Don't forget to text I love music to 44222 to receive your free music and guitar ebook, or visit musicandguitarlessons.com for more awesome lessons.